Here's how to optimize your Windows PC for gaming and boost your FPS. No intro, just straight to the point. Step 1. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. This opens the Task Manager. Click the Startup tab. Disable apps like Discord, Chrome, or Spotify if you don't need them at launch. Step 2. Set your power plan to high performance. Press Windows plus X. Select Power Options. Choose Best Performance. This gives your game more consistent power. Step 3. Turn on Game Mode. Go to Settings, click Gaming, then click Game Mode. Make sure it's turned on. This helps Windows prioritize your game. Step 4. Limit background activity of unnecessary apps. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select Installed Apps. Click the 3 dots next to an app you don't use often. Choose Advanced Options. Under Background App Permissions, set it to Never. This helps save system resources and improve gaming performance. Step 5. Update your graphics drivers. Use GeForce Experience for NVIDIA or AMD software for Radeon. Keeping your GPU drivers up to date improves performance and fixes bugs. That's it. Simple tweaks. Smoother gameplay. Subscribe for more quick PC fixes.